Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling, always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you so much friends for supporting me and welcome to my YouTube channel and your loves on my videos. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet poncho design, so viewer don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. All of this design look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. This crochet pattern are having to all fabrics design from easy. This design can be simple or elaborate as you want. All poncho have this unique design for used. This is a pattern for a beautiful this amazing collection for you if you want and update more ideas and more decent pattern. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel. You will see new and latest update. So viewer this video to share your friends and family member. So friend, be connected with me and remember me in your prayers. We will meet you in next video. Take care. The crochet lover always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their make shine more and more. So here is this sweet ideas of creating this poncho design of a using some custom color shaded yarn your crochet pattern design. Most of the pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitch like this single crochet stitch, which means they are all mostly easy to crochet. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet poncho design pattern. More free pattern, check out the crochet pattern collection below. Allah Hafiz.